Hey guys, my name's Eric Neal if you don't know me already, and today what I'm going to do is introduce you to my new series of vlogs called AOTD, which stands for Advice of the Day. What it is, they're basically short, sweet, very quickly produced videos that just offer a little bit of inspiration each day. It's daily vlogging. And I really just wanted to start this kind of thing to keep myself committed to doing a daily vlog every day, which is what I've wanted to do for a while now anyway. So here we go, we have Advice of the Day, AOTDs. These can be anything. They can be short, sweet, inspirational quotes. They could be actual advice. I've been here for a while, so I think that I could offer a little bit of explanation as to some things as how they go on. So what it is with these vlogs is that everything is done on my phone. So like these could be so random. They could happen at any time. I could be shopping, I could be at home, I could be up first thing in the morning, it could be the last thing before I go to bed. I just want to put something out every day, doing it on my phone, using iMovie to edit them and put them together. I already made like a thumbnail type thing for them for the beginning. We're gonna have different editions. There's gonna be the regular daily vlog, the AOTDs that'll happen every day. But I also made like a cover for like the Disney ones because we're going to Disney in a week. And then there's also the holiday edition too, so look out for those. Okay, so what exactly is an AOTD? Advice of the Day. It actually started in high school. I had a friend who every day would write on a Post-it note, AOTD, and just have like kind of like an inspirational quote, maybe just like some kind word of encouragement, just something to help you get through the day. And it actually kind of started not as a daily thing, but maybe like once every couple of days or so, but we actually got to a point where we were both enjoying giving each other these motivations so much every day that we started calling them AOTDs, Advice of the Day. On a Post-it note, we gave them to each other first period, we switched them out as soon as we got to school, and we did that for a while, pretty much our whole junior year, and I remembered that, and I remembered that getting those little pieces of paper every day with a simple little saying or something like that on them actually brightened my day, made my day better. So that's what I want to do with this vlog. If I can shoot you an AOTD every day, maybe it'll influence your day somehow for the better. That's what being an influencer is all about. Hopefully we'll get to a point where giving advice is actually the main point of this vlog. So maybe we'll get to a point where these become popular enough and they're circulating around enough that people will start to ask questions. And you could do that. Ask your questions in the comments. I'm no Dear Abby, but I can definitely give you my point of view on things if you want it. That's kind of what the point of a vlog is in general anyway, right? So ask away. I know it's AOTD, which means advice of the day, which means the whole day, but we might get to a point where I'm just feeling like I need to give it a little bit of extra advice for a day, so maybe we'll have a bonus advice of the day. They'll be posted a little bit differently. Maybe the thumbnail or the screen tag will be a little bit different color, just to distinguish this bonus, because you've already had an advice of the day. Can you really get too much advice in one day? I don't think so. Also, sometimes life presents itself needing advice in the moment. So actually might go to doing live. I've never done YouTube live before, but maybe this is the outlet for that. And maybe this is the channel in which we're gonna go. So we'll see where it takes us. All right, so now that we've got all the technical stuff out of the way, here is your actual day one advice of the day. Today's advice of the day is going to be kind of that general motivate you to get on the track to do what you need to do as far as whatever it is that you have an idea about. But my main thing is if you get an idea in your head, there's a reason why you have that idea. And I really want to see those ideas be developed. So if you have an idea, develop it, make it happen, get it out there. If it's a video, shoot, do it like this. I'm doing this on my phone. Do it like that. Post it. Let's see it. Maybe you're doing something else. Maybe you're working on writing a play or a screenplay for a movie, something like that. Let's see it. Let's hear about it. Come up with an awesome recipe. Share that as well. It might just be something that you need to do for yourself just to take care of it. And I get that. I started a hashtag called Before Tomorrow, which really talks about what will I do today so that I leave an awesome legacy tomorrow. What can I do today? Or what could I do today that if I weren't here tomorrow, everything would be cool, everything would be good. Take care of those things. So that's why we get these ideas on our head. They motivate us to do what we need to do. It can be creative, it can be something we need to take care of in our life, it can be just something for fun, it could be just a spontaneous random idea. But let's act on those ideas and let's get some things done, all right? That's your advice of the day. So I hope you take it, and I want to hear what those things are. Please post them in the comments below. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. I really wish that you guys have a great rest of the day. Today is Sunday. Have a great rest of the weekend, and let's start hearing about these awesome things that you're doing. Take care, guys.